Good day friends, I am Dr.Priti Vyas from Sangita Hospital, Andheri West. Today I am going to talk about something very interesting. It's about what to eat, what not to eat, the diet and the nutrition for pregnant women. The most common misconception or myth that we have in India especially is आप प्रेग्नेंट हो ना, आपको 2 लोग का खाना है, 3 लोग का खाना है. नहीं, this is the reason why women become so obese and they become overweight and they keep on eating and then they land up with all the medical issues in pregnancy. So I'm going to give you very small few simple tips on what you should do to be fit and to eat the right things in pregnancy. There are only 3 things. First thing, avoid fasting for too long. Make sure you are eating every 1.5 and 2 hourly. And third and the most important is have lots of proteins in your diet. Especially when you take care of vegetarian diet, you need to understand that all vegetarian diet is always high in carbs and fat. What we lack in is proteins. So what we need to do is focus on proteins in every meal. What I tell my patients very regularly is, first thing in the morning, don't even brush, just gargle your mouth and eat something solid, because that is going to take care of that early morning nausea. After that, make sure every 1.5 hourly, 2 hourly, you're putting something in the mouth. It may be just this much, but it's important to eat every 2 hourly. Avoid having high fat diet, avoid having oily food, spicy food, but have lots of proteins. So what are the protein options that we have? Non-vegetarians, they are quite sorted, they can have eggs, they can have chicken, they can have fish, any of the non-veg items because they are high in proteins. But what about vegetarians? They always struggle. Milk, all milk products, pulses, dry fruits, sing, chana, all of these are rich in proteins. We need to incorporate these in our daily intake of food. So how do I do that? With my breakfast, I make sure that I have milk, I add some protein powder to it, I have my dry fruits there. At mid-morning, have a bowl of sprouts, maybe a bowl of paneer, maybe some curds with it. For lunch, make sure there is a good helping of dal, paneer or some non-veg item. Evening snack, again make sure there is some protein added, maybe in the form of a cheese sandwich, maybe in the form of a oats, poha or upma with lots of nuts and sing chana added to it. Night dinner, the same way, make sure there is a protein added there, either in the form of chole, rajma, some other pulses, a glass of milk at bedtime. This will make sure that the woman will not put on too much weight. She'll have the ideal weight gain of maybe 7 to 8 kgs in pregnancy. She'll remain fit and healthy, and it's the baby which will grow and not the mother. Friends, this is so important for us to follow. Let's make sure that we don't feed the mother-to-be for 2 or 3 people. We feed her for 1, but we feed her the right things. Thank you. Next week, we will talk about the importance of sonography during pregnancy. See you soon. If you like our video, please subscribe, like and share our videos. And if you want, you can press the bell button that will help you to get the fresh updates every week.